first things first, we're gonna do our homemade Irish cream. One of the best things about, any time of day is coffee, but this is brunch coffee, right? I mean, obviously you can enjoy it any time of the day, but this is something that, so this is also your mom's recipe as well?
This recipe has been passed down from like my nana to my mom, so it's kind of like the matriarch of homemade Irish cream.
All right. Hey, the word matriarch gets in there as well. This is wonderful. Okay, so how do we begin?
So we are going to, this recipe is really nice because you can just bring it all into one bowl. So we're gonna start off with our half and half cream.
Obviously, okay.
Yes, so that one's going in right into the bowl here.
Okay.
It's a nice half and half cream. And then we're going to be moving on to sweetened condensed milk here.
All right, so that's what that is.
Yes,
okay.
So that one's going right into.
Oh yeah.
I know.
It's
just so special.
It's just, already. Nothing's happened yet, and it's already special.
Yeah, so we're bringing that right in there.
We haven't even gotten to the whiskey part.
No.
Okay. Would you like me to sort of stir this up a little bit for you? Or?
You can, yeah. So I have a little whisk that we can maybe just do as we're
Start
going along.
Yep.
Awesome.
Right.
So we have that. Then we have our instant espresso that's going to be going in there as well. So this one's kind of fun to go in.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of gives you a little bit of...
Oh, being a bit stubborn there.
Yeah.
I thought that was cinnamon for a shake. But
No, so this gives that like extra little kind of coffee taste too.
for
So
sure, yeah.
yeah, I love it in coffee, like this Irish cream. However, and that's our almond extract there.
Okay.
But it's also really good on ice.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this is our vanilla extract.
Okay.
There we go.
All those flavors.
Yes.
And then, what is this? Looks to me like some sort of chocolate.
Chocolate syrup.
Chocolate syrup. Boom.
Boom.
All right.
So that's going right in. I know.
I'll just drink it out of the bowl.
Okay.
So maybe I'll give that back to
Yeah,
you.
so I'm gonna kind of whisk along here. So we are whisking in all these ingredients, and then that Irish whiskey
Notice
goes
how
in.
eager I just went for whiskey. Okay, so just dump it all in?
Pour it right in there,
Okay.
and I'll give it a whisk. Love it. Awesome. So we're whisking only until it's about kind of like combined. It's really that condensed milk that takes.
Oh, mama, this is.
She's a straw. All right, so that's that. We'll do this here. Perfect. And then our last, and this is that little secret stuff that I was talking about.
Okay.
So this is the whipping cream. So this one goes in, and you can see that there's like some stiff peaks forming here. So we want to whip it until that is.
Happens.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna be folding that in. There we go. Woo!
Okay.
Yeah. And then,
You need that?
yeah, if you actually want to just kind of plunk that right in there. Awesome.
Okay. Ho ho.
Yeah, so this is our whipping cream.
Is that good?
That's beautiful.
That's not
yeah.
very good. Good job. There's more there. I'll lick
Awesome.
that out later.
Okay.
All right.
And then,
No, I won't.
and then we're going to be folding this in. So instead of the whisk, we're going to fold because we want our chunks of the whipping cream to kind of not be in there, but just mixed in enough that it keeps the thickness and the texture of our Baileys. Yeah.
Oh, so fun, so fun. So what does it look like? Because of course, we can drink it or with hot coffee, but then we can also do it on ice. So yeah. So did you want to pour out a little bit there?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So,
oh, and then yes, and I think we had talked about we need to kind of give this a little shake because we've got some in containers already here, right?
yes.
Okay.
So when we are looking at homemade Irish cream,
Yeah.
we're going to be putting that into coffee or on ice. So this jar we store up to 7 days in the fridge, and you can shake that up, and we'll pour that right in there.
Okay. Well, it's got the shake, so you can
Beautiful.
go ahead and.
Okay.
Let's see this beautiful thing about to happen here. All right, so there's our homemade Irish cream, and so Tressa's going to finish putting that together here. Oh, see, so lovely, so lovely. When we come back, we're on to recipe number 2, which is our broccoli, bacon, and cheddar quiche here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods.